Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding XRP on Binance and want to move it to your Phantom wallet for better security, you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk through the step-by-step process for 2025, making it simple and straightforward so you can do this with confidence. Let's dive in. First off, before we start, make sure you have a few things ready. A verified Binance account with some XRP in it, the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device, and a basic understanding of crypto transfers. Remember, always double-check details to avoid any costly mistakes. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet section and select Withdraw. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. Step 2. Search for XRP in the withdrawal options and select it. You'll see fields for the wallet address and amount. Now, open your Phantom Wallet app. Step 3. In Phantom, go to your XRP wallet, copy the receiving address, and paste it into the Binance withdrawal form. Be extra careful here. Crypto addresses are case-sensitive, and one wrong character could send your XRP to the wrong place. Step 4. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer, making sure it's above any minimum limits. Select the correct network. For XRP, it's usually the XRP ledger. Review all the details, including fees, and hit Confirm. You might need to verify this with two-factor authentication for security. Once the transaction is submitted, it could take a few minutes to a few hours to process, depending on network congestion. Check your Phantom wallet to confirm the XRP has arrived. A quick tip. Always start with a small test transfer if you're unsure, and never share your wallet keys. This keeps your assets safe in the volatile world of crypto. There you have it. That's how you transfer XRP from Binance to Phantom Wallet in 2025. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and thanks for watching.